I got a package, I got a package, I got a package, I wonder what it is. I got a package, I got a package, I got a package, I wonder what it is. Hey y'all, it's your girl over at Eat to Live Strong. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, guess what? I wholeheartedly welcome you to Eat to Live Strong, where in 2021, there's a lot of great things going on. Today, guys, I got my package from my girl over at Regene Coulture, and I am anxious to see what's in here in my goodie package. Yes! So hold on, let's get started. No time to waste with opening this package. I'm so anxious and so ready to see it. So let's get started. How you doing today? It's been a while since I've posted something, so been studying, and it's been one of those weeks. So let's go ahead and get this open. Oh yeah, the kids in the candy store. Yes, I got it. Wow, nice package here. And if you don't know, Regene Coulture, she makes all of my jewelry. Her link is going to be, and she doesn't have a YouTube channel. She's Facebook and Instagram, but her website will be in the description box. So let's get to opening. Ooh, how pretty. I rarely wear the yellow gold. I'm always white gold or silver, but she's turning me on to some really neat things. Look at here. Oh, I gotta get that out. It's a 3-piece set. It has earrings that I'm trying to get open, a necklace, and a bangle. So let's get this started because I want to try this on. It looks so cute. All right, I think I got it open. Okay, let's just cut it. There we go. So these are the earrings. There we go. Those are the earrings. Okay, and this is beautiful. Oh, it fits right on. Oh my God, my arm's so small. But that's the bangle. The bangle. So it is the yellow gold bangle, and it's got some bling in here. So in the center, it's bling. And let me take it off and see if I can't make this a little bit darker for you. This is better. There you go. That's nice. Isn't that pretty? And then, of course, the necklace. See if I can get that in close enough for you to see. So it's yellow gold. And this one doesn't have an extension, but for some reason or another, I don't think I'll need an extension. So, not the right attire to wear with this. Isn't that pretty? And I can put on the bangle and then the earring. Let's see. 3 pieces. So let's take that off. Let's exchange it. I probably shouldn't put the earring back on because I don't know what else is in here. So that 3 pieces here is so pretty. So let's go ahead and get the next piece out. Oh, I remember this. I'm like the worst opener. So beaded bracelets. Pink and gray and fuchsia and looks like orange and yellow. Isn't that cute? So I got these. Oh, okay. That's the thing about me. I buy so much stuff that I don't ever remember what I got. Okay, so here is some earrings and a necklace. So let's get this open here. It is a necklace, and let me try and get it hooked up here so I can show you what it looks like. And it's a locket. Well, it's not a locket, but it's got a, yeah, it does have a lock on here, but it's not a locket. It is a, there you go, you can see it there. It's got bling on it. And then the earrings to match. They're silver. Now, these are not 100% silver, so I'll just tell you that, but it's silver. Let's go ahead and get the next one open. Ooh, pretty. I'm getting a hang on this opening stuff now. And this is another set. Ooh, these are pretty. Another set of bracelets. It's got the blue, green, gold, some red. So that's pretty too. You may catch me wearing this on some of my videos, but I'll just put it on there because I love this one. Ooh, these are pretty. Isn't it pretty? So that's those. And let's see, there's two more things in here. Wow. Yeah, it is. There's 2 things in here. I know I had all this. Well, I know exactly what this one is. It's a necklace, and it has some stilettos. Remember the video I did, guys, when I said I wanted to wear my stilettos? But it's a pair of stilettos. So isn't that cute? So I'm gonna wear my stilettos right before I wear my actual stilettos. 2 more. Oh, it's 2 more pieces in here. And then it's another one, but the first one was silver, and this one is gold. So let's see. Okay, I said it was 1 more. It's actually 2 more. I'll save the best for last. Okay, so I have the silver in this one, and then I bought the gold, because you never know, women can never have enough jewelry, right? So I got it in the gold, and that's in the gold. You see it's got a little locket in the center. I keep calling it a locket. Okay, so it's a charm, and it has a key on it. That's the better way of saying it. It's a charm with a key on it. So there you go. Let's see if I can get a better shot of it. And it's in gold. And then it has the earrings as well. The earrings has a little bling on it. So that's that, and as I said, I'm saving the best for last. So let me get this open here. This is the last piece here. All right. There we go. It's on a silver chain, and the charm is from my sorority, AKA all day. Here we go. So those are all my pieces that I received today. And again, I will have her website in the description box. And just to show it all to you again, so that's my AKA grape necklace with the AKA charm on it. Oh, that's the wrong way. There we go. Pink and green. So when you guys see me put my hearts in the chat, the pink and green, that's what it's for. So that's my AKA necklace. Then of course I have the silver necklace with the stilettos. So there we go with the silver. I have had it in another color. Oh, the gold. And these with the stilettos came with the earrings to match. So the silver and the gold, the yellow gold. All right, there is the gold. And then I have both of these, one in silver, one in gold. That's the charm with the locket on it. Well, the charm with the key on it. And you see the key in there? It's a little key in there. That's the ring. That's the key in the silver. And it came with the silver earrings that got the bling on it. And then it comes in the gold as well. And those came with earrings as well. And then the masterpiece was this set here. The necklace, the bangle with the bling, and then they came with these fabulous hoop earrings. That's the earrings, yellow gold, and then I have these fantastic bracelets. It's 3 in a set. Pretty colors. And then this one. Pretty, huh? Okay guys, so that concludes my unboxing today. Again, her website will be in the description box. Check her out. She has some really nice jewelry, some nice pieces. Very nice friend of mine. Known her a long time, and she does fabulous work, very honest. So give her a look-see. Her information is in the description box. So that concludes the unboxing. Thank you for joining me today. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share me out, because sharing is caring. Then go down below and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to go next door and that notification bell so you'll be notified of my videos when they're uploaded. See you next time. Love you long time. God bless. Bye-bye now.